What if I told you the fastest way to earn more money in 2025 isn't starting a new side hustle, but simply doing what others won't, exceeding expectations? Most people do the bare minimum, but the ones who go the extra mile, they get noticed, they get repeat customers, and they get paid way more. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn this mindset into real cash. Too many people believe the secret to higher earnings is having more followers, more tools, or more luck. That's only half true. The real difference maker is exceeding expectations. Whether you're freelancing, running a side hustle, or climbing the corporate ladder. By the end of this video, you'll learn 3 powerful ways to use this principle to boost your income, how real businesses already do it, and which tools can help you stand out even if you're just starting with no money. Why exceeding expectations works. Think about it. When Amazon started, people didn't just love that they sold books online. They loved how fast the shipping was compared to anyone else. That wow factor created loyalty. Exceeding expectations triggers trust, and trust equals repeat business. In 2025, when attention spans are short and options are endless, giving more than promised makes you unforgettable. The 3 keys to exceeding expectations. 1. Over-deliver on value. Don't just do what's asked. Add a little extra. If you're freelancing on Fiverr, include a bonus resource or a faster delivery time. That 5 minutes of effort can turn into a glowing 5-star review. Tools like Canva Pro make it super easy to create bonus social media templates, graphics, or even mini reports you can send with your work. It's cheap, beginner-friendly, and adds instant value. Communicate like a pro. Most freelancers and side hustlers vanish after getting paid. Don't. Regular updates and clear communication are priceless. Use Trello or Asana to stay organized and show clients you're serious. A simple progress board they can see makes you look 10 times more professional, even if you're a one-person business. 3. Leverage AI to anticipate needs. Instead of waiting for a customer to ask, anticipate what they'll want next. Tools like Jasper AI or ChatGPT let you brainstorm future ideas for your client. Blog posts, ad copy, even product descriptions. Imagine being the person who not only delivers today's job, but suggests next week's content too. That's how you lock in repeat gigs and boost earnings. Here's a quick story. Sarah, a 23-year-old freelance social media manager, started charging $200 per client. Instead of just posting content, she sent her clients custom Canva templates, scheduled posts in advance using Trello, and gave AI-powered caption ideas. Within 90 days, she doubled her income to $4,000 per month. Why? She exceeded expectations, and her clients couldn't imagine working with anyone else. Exceeding expectations isn't about working harder. It's about being smarter. Deliver more value, communicate clearly, and anticipate needs. That's the formula that can turn your side hustle, freelance career, or even 9-to-5 job into a high-earning opportunity in 2025. The people who go the extra mile don't just earn more. They build a reputation that compounds over time. If you got value from this, hit like, drop a comment sharing how you plan to exceed expectations in your hustle, and don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss our next drop on how to network effectively without leaving your home.